Hi, I'm Anna with the Frain Group. Today we'll be cycling your label Aire labeler. This machine is currently set at 110 volts single phase. We recommend you read the manual in its entirety before powering on this machine. Systems like these are capable of running products such as you see here. Today we'll be running this product at 9,000 per shift.